Hello everybody, my name is Bizzare Arkgaurd, and this is White Noise Online. A very interesting looking horror game. Got it off of Steam, it was on sale. And I'm about to do a solo run, and just a heads up, here's your warning. This video is going to contain loud audio, and if the game is scary, possibly me yelling and or both screaming. So there is your warning. I am now turning the sound up because I like to have it cranked. So there's your last warning. This will contain loud audio. Alright. So, the objective is to collect tape recorders. It was 8 or 6? Not entirely sure. I don't remember the count. I believe it was 8. This game running pretty smoothly. I honestly have no idea where I'm going. This is just gonna be terrible. Oh. These statues aren't indeed creepy. Tape! I hear one. Alright, where are you? I know you're close by. Blam. Haven't seen the monster, whatever you want to call it, just yet. It's on Nightmare, so I thought he would have. Oh, god damn it, right when I fucking said it. Oh, okay, god damn it, that's the way I need to go, you asshole. No, fuck you, fuck you. Oh god, get in the tunnel. Hello. Ooh, that's unsettling. Whoa, what was that? Oh, okay, you're still there. Why do I keep looking at you? That's not a good thing to do. Alright. Onward. And goddamn, this flashlight does not help that much. Incredible. Oh my god. Fuck you. Okay, you're getting closer. Get the tape, get the tape, get the tape, get the tape. Yeah! Take that, asshole. Okay, so he goes away for a bit after I pick up a tape. That's great. All the tapes are on these little things that stick out on the map. Forgot the word for it. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually pretty fucking scared. Pretty good music. I really like the music. Oh god. Was he there? I didn't see him. I'm afraid to turn. I feel like he's going to be there every time I turn. Oh god. Cabin. Fuck yes. I swear to God, if you're... Okay, you're close, you're close, you're close. Oh no! Oh no, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Oh, hell no. Oh. I think I'm safe in here. Emphasis on I think. Oh shit, where is he? I don't want to leave this until I know where he's at, because I don't want to walk. Oh, okay, I see you, buddy. Are you gone? Please don't be right there. Oh, Jesus, fuck! What the hell? Oh, is he right behind me? No. What the hell is that? Okay. Oh, fuck, you're out the window. Hello. Get in the other cabin. 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 Oh! Ah! He's out. Okay, I thought you were closer. Fuck. There's no tape here? Fuck. I'm scared to leave. Hi, friend. Okay, where are you? I need to know where you are so that I can know that I'm safe leaving in said direction. Okay. I am so fucked. Hello. Oh shit. Ah no! I only have 4 tapes. Leave me alone. Oh god. Where am I even going? My flashlight is dying? Are you fucking kidding? Ah, I'm against the wall! I heard him make a weird little click noise. Where am I even going? Oh, god damn it. Stop with that fucking ching. Damn. That gets me every damn time. Where am I going? I cannot see. My flashlight is going out. This is terrible. Oh god, if I played this on the Oculus Rift, I would have a heart attack. It's a good thing I'll be ordering an Oculus Rift soon. Then I could deliver that exact experience for you guys once I get my cameras set up for my fucking computer too. Then you'll have face cam. Ugh, god damn, I don't know what that noise is, but it scared the shit out of me. Where is he? Where am I? That would be a better... Okay, you're over there. Where am I would be a better question, to be honest. You can go... Oh, you can go fuck yourself! No, I know you're breathing down my neck. Oh, you're getting too close for comfort, buddy. Oh my god, is he right there? Is he right? I hear a tape. I hear a tape. I hear a tape. I hear a tape. Oh my god, where is he? I don't know where the tape is. I can't see shit. Oh, he's right there. Where's the tape? I can't fucking see it. Ah, he's right there. No. Oh, no, go away. Where is this tape? It is so fucking loud. Fuck you. Get the fuck away from me. Where? Where is the tape? I cannot see. It's right here somewhere. I just know it. I'm boned. The tape is here, but I can't see it. It is so fucking dark. I'm just tapping the button to see if I get it, but I'm not. He's like giving me a lot of time to do it right now. Where is this tape? That is so loud. This is legitimately making me angry. I cannot see a damn thing. What am I even looking at? Oh, I could see him perfectly fine though, of course. Is that a noose? I don't know, I can't fucking tell. Okay. This sucks. If I go anywhere, I'm screwed because I can't see shit. Oh my god. Ah, Jesus! Fuck! I'm fucking boned! Fuck everything and run. I'm walking into a wall, aren't I? Ooh, he's right there. Where? What am I even doing? I am almost blind. Hello. The tape is so close. I'm dead. I'm going to die. The tape is so fucking loud, but I cannot grab it. If I could see what I'm doing, but my flashlight is flat out dead. I'm screwed. That's all there is to it. What am I supposed to do? I can't see anything. My flashlight's dead. Wait, I see it! Oh! Oh! Did he give me a little bit of flashlight because of that? Oh great, now I can moderately barely see. That's just great. I'm still fucked. I can't see more than fucking 2 goddamn feet in front of my face. This is ridiculous. Jesus balls! Oh my god. Oh, no. You're right there, aren't you? You're on my back. Ah! Jesus! Ah! This game is good. I am boned. I just had to choose Nightmare. Oh, hello. You're not as close as I thought, but you're still too close. Where am I going? I'm legitimately just running. I don't know where I'm going. Oh look, a tree. I can see a tree. Great. That's gonna do me a lot of good. Feels weird talking to myself like this, and I'm sure my roommate's in the other room like, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? Probably annoyed. Like, what am I even looking at? Okay, a fucking wall. That does me a lot of good. I guess I'll walk into this dark as tits cave. Hey, he's not behind me. I am absolutely... Okay, he's behind me now, isn't he? I swear to God. I'm gonna turn around, and he's gonna be right fucking there. Another tape! Holy shit, I found one! How am I even alive right now? He's just toying with me at this moment. I am willing to bet money that I am going to die within 30 seconds. A minute at the most. With this low of visibility, I am not going to survive more than 30 seconds. A minute at the most. I'm just walking. I can't tell what the fuck I'm doing. It's just black. I'm sorry, but there's not much I can do about this. See, look at this. Wow, a tree. I could see a tree. It's lovely. At least I can see the night sky. For all I know, I could be walking into a goddamn wall. This is where I'm gonna die. This is it. Goodbye, everybody. Oh, God. Ah, Jesus! Balls in my ass! I'm fucked! I'm gonna die! Oh my God! Please, just do it already! Just fucking do it already! I can't stand to hear that noise in my ears! I'm crying! God damn it! Fuck this game. That felt so much longer than 13 minutes. Let's see what I did. I made some good distance without having to hardly see anything. For my very first run, doing it on Nightmare, I would say I did a pretty good job. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my misery, being scared. That honestly scared me pretty fucking badly. Damn. If you'd like to see more videos of me playing this game, let me know. All the likes, comments, let me know what you guys like. So by doing that, I'll know what you guys like, what you don't like. Anyway, this was White Noise Online. This game is scary. To me personally. To other people it may not be whatsoever, but to me it is, because I opened myself up to these games to let myself be scared. Because, you know, that's the fun. But anyway, to me, this game was pretty damn scary. Yes. This has been White Noise Online. I am Bizzare Arkgaurd, and I will see you next time.